Hey everyone, we are doing a little bra talk today. It is Tuesday Intimates, and that is the mad dog Scruffles. She's growling at me. She doesn't want to be shopping anymore. Oh my goodness. Hey, you've got to shush. Sorry about that. Anyway, I had some bras here. I wanted to show you. Hey, shushy. So hopefully I'm going to get through this. Now you can't make noise. You have to be quiet. Shh. Okay, I think she thinks I'm talking to her. Anyway, all right, I wanted to show you a couple of new things in bras. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera around, and hopefully all will be well. See? I'm going to turn it around. Okay. New bra, wider sides for that extra fullness that you might have. You know, for a little bit of the underarm dangle. This one's by Maidenform. So as you can see, you've got a little extra something. So that's new, that's out. Now, what I wanted to explain are a few of these bras with the seams right there, okay? If you are wearing a t-shirt, they are going to show, okay? They're really good for uplifting. Shh. Okay, I'm going to have to shut off my Facebook Live if you don't stop. Do you want something to eat? Okay. These are really, really good. I'll get her something to eat in just a minute. If you want the lift from the bottom, okay, if you really need some good support and lift, but as I said, they're not good for under t-shirts because that line is going to show. Neither is this type of bra with the lace with the seam across. Again, it's a good shaping bra, but this seam and the lace is going to show too much. But if you need that support, these are good bras, but just be careful what you're going to be wearing them with. And last but not least today, I'm glad I only have this many. You would think I'm at the zoo, is this very soft cuff bra with no underwire. Now the thing about these is I really think they're good for like a sleep bra. I don't think they give you a lot of good support because they don't have any underwire. And you know, the molded cup can be a little awkward and weird, and you know, unless you're very, very firm, you know, they're not going to fit you quite right. If you're a little on the saggy side, that is not going to be your ideal bra. But if that's something that you want to wear like at night, a sleep bra or around the house bra because it's so soft, then do it, okay? All right, again, let me turn this around before I have to go because Scruffles, I apologize today for her behavior. Again, I am Lori Ann Robinson. I am a fashion consultant. I'm not a dog wrangler, obviously, and health and wellness entrepreneur. So I wanted to just say, have a wonderful afternoon. This was Tuesday Intimates, and I'm going to try to do more of these inside stores, but perhaps I won't bring the monkey with me. Okay, everyone, have a good afternoon. I hope you're laughing along with her too. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.